Hello, future world changers. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating, but also incredibly crucial for every young person out there. We're talking about the 10 essential skills every young person should learn. These are the skills that will empower you, help you navigate the complexities of life, and set you up for success in the 21st century. From mastering the art of communication to understanding the nuances of financial literacy, from honing your leadership abilities to becoming a pro at problem solving, we've got it all covered. So buckle up, because this journey is going to be enlightening, exciting, and absolutely essential for your growth. Stay tuned. Skill 1. Communication. First on our list is communication. This skill is the bedrock of all human interactions and plays a pivotal role in our personal and professional lives. Effective communication fosters understanding, builds trust, and promotes clarity in expressing thoughts and ideas. It's not just about talking, but also about listening, interpreting, and responding in a way that adds value to the conversation. So, how can you enhance your communication skills? Start by practicing active listening. This means fully concentrating on the speaker, understanding their message, responding thoughtfully, and then remembering the key points. Also, pay attention to your body language, as it can speak volumes even when you're silent. Be clear and concise in your communication to avoid misunderstandings. And remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep communicating, keep improving. Skill 2. Financial literacy. Moving on to our second essential skill, financial literacy. In an age where financial decisions can have long-lasting effects, understanding the basics of finance, budgeting, and saving is crucial. It's about making informed decisions about your money, knowing how to track your expenses, save for the future, and navigate the financial ecosystem. To improve your financial literacy, there are numerous resources available. Websites like Investopedia offer easy-to-understand explanations of financial concepts, while apps like Mint can help with budgeting. Books such as Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey provide valuable insights into money management. Remember, the journey to financial literacy begins with the first step, so start today and reap the benefits tomorrow. Skill 3. Time management. Next up is Skill 3. Time management. Time is a non-renewable resource, and how we manage it can significantly impact our productivity and stress levels. Good time management allows you to accomplish more in a shorter period, which leads to more free time, enhances your ability to focus, and reduces stress. It's about prioritizing tasks based on importance and deadlines, and eliminating non-essential activities. To improve your time management skills, start by setting clear goals and breaking them down into manageable tasks. Use tools like calendars or apps like Google Tasks to keep track of your deadlines and commitments. Practice the Pomodoro technique, where you work for a set amount of time, like 25 minutes, then take a short break, like 5 minutes. Remember, it's not about being busy, but about being effective. So, plan your time wisely and make every moment count. Skill 4. Critical thinking. Skill number 4 is critical thinking. This is the ability to analyze information objectively and make a reasoned judgment. It involves the evaluation of sources, such as data, facts, observable phenomena, and research findings. Good critical thinkers can draw reasonable conclusions from a set of information and discriminate between useful and less useful details to solve problems or make decisions. Why is it important? Well, in the fast-paced, complex world we live in, critical thinking is necessary for staying ahead of the curve and coping with information overload. It enhances creativity, improves problem solving, and facilitates better communication. To develop this skill, always be curious and open-minded. Question assumptions, reason through logic, and diversify your thoughts. Remember, critical thinking is a journey, not a destination. So, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep thinking critically. Skill 5. Emotional intelligence. On to our 5th essential skill, emotional intelligence. This is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. It plays a significant role in achieving success, both personally and professionally, as it helps us navigate social complexities, lead others, and maintain healthy relationships. So, how can you enhance your emotional intelligence? Start by practicing self-awareness. Recognize your emotions and understand their impact on your thoughts and behavior. Practice empathy by trying to see situations from other people's perspectives. Manage your emotions effectively, especially negative ones, and respond to them in a constructive way. And finally, nurture your relationships by maintaining good communication and resolving conflicts in a respectful manner. Remember, emotional intelligence is a lifelong journey, not a destination. So, keep learning, keep growing, and keep evolving. Skill 6. Basic cooking. Halfway through our list, we arrive at Skill 6. Basic cooking. Knowing how to cook is not just about feeding yourself. It's about taking control of your health and budget. It allows you to know what's in your food, helps you save money that might otherwise be spent on takeout or prepackaged meals. And it can even serve as a creative outlet. To get started with cooking, begin with simple recipes. Scrambled eggs, pasta, or a basic stir-fry are great starting points. As for cooking tips, remember to read the entire recipe before you start, prep your ingredients beforehand, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. After all, some of the best culinary creations were born from blunders. So, put on that apron, and let's get cooking. Skill 7. First aid and basic healthcare. This skill is a lifesaver, quite literally. Knowing basic first aid allows you to respond effectively during emergencies, potentially saving lives. It's about being able to take immediate action, whether it's treating minor injuries or stabilizing someone until professional help arrives. To learn first aid, consider taking a course from recognized organizations like the Red Cross, which offers both in-person and online training. There are also numerous first aid apps and online resources available. Remember, the knowledge of first aid is a powerful tool, and with it comes the confidence to make a difference when it matters most. So equip yourself with this skill, because you never know when you might need it. Skill 8. Digital literacy. Next on our list is Skill 8. Digital literacy. In today's digital age, being savvy with technology and online platforms is no longer optional, it's essential. Digital literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create content using information technologies and the internet. It's about being a responsible digital citizen, understanding digital etiquette, and using technology to enhance your life. To improve your digital literacy, there are many resources available. Websites like Codecademy or Khan Academy offer free courses on various tech topics. For seniors, websites like SeniorNet provide a great starting point for learning basic computer skills. Remember, the digital world is vast and constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay digitally literate. Skill 9. Problem solving. Approaching the end of our list, we have Skill 9. Problem solving. This skill is a universal job requirement, from entry-level positions to top executive roles. But it's not just about work. Problem solving can help us navigate complex situations in our personal lives as well. It's about being able to understand a situation, identify potential solutions, evaluate the options, and then implement an action plan. To enhance your problem-solving skills, start by clearly defining the problem. Then, brainstorm possible solutions without judging them. Once you have a list, evaluate each solution based on its pros and cons. Choose the best solution and implement it. Remember to review the outcome to learn from the process. And most importantly, don't be afraid of making mistakes. They're just stepping stones on the path to success. Skill 10. Leadership. Finally, we arrive at Skill 10. Leadership. Leadership is not just about leading others, it's about self-leadership too. It's about having a vision, making decisions, taking initiative, and inspiring others, whether you're in a leadership role or not. Leadership skills can help you in all aspects of life, from managing a project at work to organizing a community event. To develop your leadership skills, start by setting clear goals and work towards them with determination and persistence. Learn to communicate effectively and motivate others. Be open to feedback and willing to make necessary changes. Practice empathy and understand the perspectives of others. And remember, a good leader is also a good team player. So lead by example, inspire others with your actions, and remember that every great leader was once a follower. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the 10 essential skills every young person should learn: communication, financial literacy, time management, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, basic cooking, first aid and basic healthcare, digital literacy, problem solving, and leadership. Each of these skills holds the power to transform your life and set you up for success in the 21st century. We encourage you to start developing these skills and continue learning. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that step today, and let's make the future brighter together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining.